Welcome back again for another episode of learning how to add POS printing in the photo menu plugin. For this, first select online ordering and then navigate to the POS printing to enable this for the printing order slips from the order management page and WooCommerce order. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the menu page. After adding all the required items to your cart as usual, simply click Checkout to proceed with your order and instantly get a checkout form to fill up the details of the customers. While done, then click on Place Order and you will get an invoice of your order details. Now let's click on My Account. From this dashboard, you will be able to see the orders that customers just have added here. Let's click on Edit option where you can see the order timeline. From the customer and status, admin can choose the status of the order. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the All Orders where you can generate print from the front-end dashboard. Let's click on Order Confirmation and get an invoice about your order. This way you can view and print separate order invoice for each of the 4 order types whenever needed. Now let's try packaging slip. And the last one is delivery driver slip. Now let's back to the dashboard, navigate to the WooCommerce and then Orders. Click on your recently added order where the order details will be displayed along with the date, billing address and the print slip name, like order confirmation. Not only that, you can also print WooCommerce order from here. Let's check it again. And let's check it again. And this is how you can seamlessly add your POS printing in the photo menu plugin. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.